I live in India, and India is a very big country. It has so many different states, and every state has a different custom and tradition. As a result, a number of festivals are celebrated in India. So you would see that all year round, one festival or the other is being celebrated in our country. And when festivals are celebrated, we prepare lots of food, isn't it? So India is very rich in its culture, and also it has a lots of variety in food. Now, now in a school, once an ethnic day was celebrated, and all the students were instructed to wear dresses according to their family traditions. That is, they need to wear the same type of dresses which their parents wear when they have an occasion at their home. And also, they needed to carry few important dishes which are cooked during those celebrations or occasions. So different students wore different kinds of clothes, and also they brought a number of dishes. So let's see who brought what. Now Manoj is from a South Indian family. He wore a dress which his father wears when they celebrate Pongal, which is the most important festival in their tradition. And also he brought a variety of food which is prepared during Pongal. So let's see what are the food which are most important in Pongal. So he brought Kaya Varutata, which is actually banana chips. And then he also brought Chena Varutata, which is yam chips. And Sarkara Uppiri, which is basically jaggery coated banana chips. So yummy. And then he brought mango pickle and lime pickle. Also, he brought pulinji, which is tamarind and ginger chutney. Then he also brought khichdi, which is gourd in mildly spiced yogurt. And then finally, he brought pachadi, which is pineapple in yogurt. So many yummy food he brought, which they usually prepare during Pongal. Now let's see the next student. So next came Palak. Now Palak is from a Punjabi family, and the most important festival in their tradition is Basant Panchami. So she brought a number of food which they prepare during Basant Panchami. So let's see what these are. So during Basant Panchami, they eat palak paneer, parathe, besan ke laddu, kesri bhat, and boonde ke laddu. So all these different type of dishes Palak brought, and they were very tasty and yummy. Now next came Mary. Now Mary is from a Christian family, and the most important festival in a Christian family is Christmas. So she brought a number of dishes which are prepared during Christmas. So let's see what are these. She brought roasted beef, turkey, gingerbread cookies, hot chocolate cake, and fruit cake. All these delicious things she brought, as they prepare all these things during Christmas. Now Shama celebrates Eid because she's from a Muslim family, and according to their tradition, Eid is the most important occasion at their house. So she brought a lot of different dishes which they prepared during Eid. So let's see few of these. So Shama brought biryani, mutton curry, sevaiya, and dry fruits. So these are the main food which they eat during Eid. Now there was a girl, Sunetra. Now she is from a Bengali family, and the most important festival in a Bengali family is Durga Puja. So she dressed up like her mom would dress up in Durga Puja, and she brought a lot of dishes which Bengalis eat during Durga Puja. So let's see some of these. So she brought Mach Bhat, which is fish curry and rice, then Rajbhog, Khichdi, chicken, and shukto. Now, these are very delicious dishes which are prepared in a Bengali family, and they eat it during Durga Puja. Now, I will share with you an experience which only few students have. That is to eat with each other, that is to eat with all their classmates every day as if every day is an occasion. This happens in a boarding school. So what happens in a boarding school? In a boarding school, all the students stay together and study together. And so every day they have lunch and dinner together as if it's an occasion. So every day is an occasion for them. And they have a variety of food there. Now, another place where you will find really delicious food and you will see a lot of people eating together, it's the Gurudwara. Now, what happens in Gurudwara? Well, in Gurudwara, they serve langar. Now, langar is a free meal which is provided to everybody. That is, whoever is interested can come here and eat. So, all the people sit on the floor and then they have food together. And the entire meal is prepared by the Sikh community free of cost. And all the people are able to eat there. So, it's a great occasion and people eat together in harmony. So, tell me, langar is served in? What do you think? Well, it's served by the Sikh community and it is served in Gurudwara. So you see, langar is a free meal which is served in Gurudwara. Now, another place where a lot of students sit together and eat together like an occasion is during a midday meal. Now, in a lot of government schools, the government provides free meal to all the students. And it is called midday meal. And in midday meal, they are served delicious khichdis, which all of them have together, like a picnic. So they actually have a picnic every day. So interesting, isn't it? So you see, our country is a vast country. And there are so many different occasions and festivals which are celebrated here. And in every occasion and festival, most important thing is food. Different types of foods are eaten every day. And in occasions, they become more special. And sometimes in langar, every day is an occasion. So, every time you have an occasion or your friends have an occasion, try to taste all kinds of food and see how they taste compared to what you eat at your home.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.